Self-confidence. Self-confidence is one of the most valuable shields you can wear in life. But most people misunderstand it. It's not about thinking you're better than everyone else. It's about believing you're enough, even with your flaws. It's not thinking you're perfect. It's saying, I may not be perfect, but I still show up. True confidence comes from within. It doesn't depend on applause, approval, or attention. Because it knows your worth isn't defined by anyone else's opinion. Today, everyone tries to look confident on social media. But real confidence isn't a look, it's a presence. If you feel strong when you're alone, if you don't collapse after every mistake, if you can keep going without needing validation, that's real confidence. So how do you build it? 1. By keeping the promises you make to yourself. Finish what you start, even if it's small. Every time you follow through, you prove to yourself, I can trust me. 2. By knowing who you are, not what others think, what you feel. Own your strengths, but don't run from your flaws. When you're honest with yourself, no one else can define you. 3. Step outside your comfort zone. Confidence isn't built in comfort. It grows in challenge. When you try something new, fail, get rejected, but still stand back up, that's when confidence is forged. 4. Compete with yourself, not others. Other people's success doesn't mean your failure. You're on your own path, and that path is uniquely yours. 5. Respect and love yourself. Watch how you speak to yourself. Every word you say in your mind is building who you become. Remember, confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. Through choices, actions, and courage, day by day. You can be a confident person. Maybe not today, but if you start today, you'll be stronger tomorrow. And one day, you'll look back and say, I believed in myself, even when no one else did, even when no one saw it. I built myself.